This thing will jump anything. I mean, big stuff. I don't think I paid but like $50 for it, which is what's crazy.
Got a light on it and everything, right?
Yeah, and a air thing, and this tire was flat, and we hooked it to it, and it just you set the how many pounds you want, you just walk away from it. When you come back, it's done, and it'll tell you how many pounds is in it.
That's a big battery.
Yeah, it's a big battery. We'll go get us a new one this morning, but I got to get it out of this field first.
So why did it die in the field?
It hadn't been cranked, and we got it cranked with this, but then it started overheating. The belt is loose on it, so it was overheating. We'll get the belt tightened up on it, or buy a new one or the other, whatever it needs. Does that say 0?
Yeah.
It may not crank it.
Oh, shoot.
I'm shocked. It was powered at 100%.
It's been 2 weeks, so sitting out here. You leave it on there for a little while? Will it charge it?
I don't know.
They're supposed to just jump it, isn't it?
Boy, it's close, ain't it? It acts like it is, don't it?
Yeah, let's go run move that other truck and then come back and see if it's giving it some juice.
Okay.
You got your key in the off position, right?
Yeah. Maybe it'll sit there and give it something.
Let's hope so.
Wow. I watched the guy online. It just jumped on it. It had been sitting and sitting. I thought for sure it was going to just take it. But at least it's making a noise.
Yeah, it's trying. All right, we'll be back.
Looking forward to lifting that battery out. The last time I changed it, it was so heavy I could hardly move happened to find this online. It comes with a little air hose. The bag's a little, it's, it's kind of not much good, right? You gonna follow me over there? they're awesome. And I got a fella on the phone, and he said a couple of things. He said, number one, you don't ever want to hook a jump box to one of these tractors. He said if the tractor battery's dead, you just replace it where it is, or you take it out and repair it and put it back. He said you don't hook a jump box to it. So right now, it's not cutting off, and my air conditioning's not working. The blower's not working on it, and that was working. This has been sitting in the field for 2 weeks, and he said that the blower, what's happening is I need to hook that, he said hook the car battery to it. He said don't hook the jump box to it. He said hook the battery to it with cables and go ahead and try to turn it off. He said it doesn't have enough power to turn the system off, and that's why the blower motor's not working. There's not enough battery to be able to, for my AC to turn on. So we got to hook it back up, and I got to make sure the key's in the correct position, and then we'll try to turn it off. Okay? The battery cable on the positive jumped off of it, and when I opened it up, it wasn't hooked. It's hooked back up, so then the tractor was able to turn off, and I'm sure the AC's working too, or at least the blower's working. It may need some Freon. Huh.